Cyflex F900 CNC boring center with or without routing unit. Cyflex F900 is perfect for everybody. That means it's perfect for operator that is coming in the automatic boring world, but also for industry that would like to create the flexible area next to the CNC working center. Our main advantages are we work from the top. That means we are able to grant perfect finishing in every situation. We are able to stay within 7 meters squared, so the machine is very compact. And also, we absolutely don't need any kind of setup in changing dimension of the panel or kind of program. Cyflex 900 is the perfect solution for everybody.